Hey guys, Lucas here. I'm glad you tuned back into my channel. And if you remember, I wanted to do a video on the MARUI Big Bear pink restoration in its running stage now. Everything's all done up, and now we're going to see how she runs. So, be a short video. Please excuse my driving style as I'm filming and driving at the same time. So, alrighty, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's see how this little big bear goes. This pink big bear. Off already. Now this one here also has Tamiya bearings inside, so it's got some goodies in there. This one is equipped with a 480 Mabushi motor. So there is no 540 in this one. So, not as fast as some of the other ones I've done. It still scoots around pretty good. Winds out probably around maybe 18 miles an hour. Well, not a super fast truck, but not super slow either though. And this one's equipped with a 2.4 G controller, so not a huge antenna on it. I might get a good high-speed pass on this one, y'all. Yeah, run a little bit in the grass. You have to run some grass. And I'm going to end it right there. Cool truck, very fun to run, and I'm so glad another one got completed. If you guys can, please hit a like on my channel. And I got a whole lot of cool RC coming up, so please stay tuned. So be sure to subscribe. Alright, you guys, take care. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.